Rebecca? Empieza leyendo desde la fiera.
What?
So you're reading desde la fiera. Noah terminó aquí y tú estás empezando a leer desde la fiera.
Do I read the whole sentence?
Mm-hmm. La fiera.
La fiera.
Mm-hmm.
La fiera levantados de pronto atrapó entre de sus garras al más atrevido de la pandilla.
Ok, para. La fiera, levantándose de pronto, atrapó entre sus garras al más atrevido de la pandilla. Okay, so let's go. We're drawing our next scene. So la fiera, the fury. Noah, do you have a question?
We didn't finish the first line.
Oh, I'm so sorry. We did not. Thank you. Okay, so we have a ratoncito. Sorry, guys. I totally lost my flow. So we have a ratoncitos. And what are they doing? Jugando. What are they doing there? Jugando sounds like jugar. ¿En qué significa jugar?
Play.
To play. So jugando is they're playing sin cuidado, without caution.
Oh.
En un prado. And so you're either drawing this out or you're taking notes of these words because you're kind of comprehending the scene through your illustration. Sin cuidado en un prado. The prado is a meadow. Despertaron. And so take a quick note, but then kind of come back because the idea, guys, is we want to get an idea, the full picture, the full meaning of what's going on. We don't want to get too hung up in the details. Despertaron a un león. Do you guys, I don't know if we covered this verb in particular. Despertarse, to get oneself, to wake oneself up, right? So is this starting to form an image in your mind? You're imagining the rats, you're imagining the lion, they're in a meadow. Uh-oh.
There's a lion?
Yeah. El león,
There's
right?
a lion.
Yeah.
Then why is there a frog there?
You're right, that is a little confusing. Despertaron, they woke up un león. Un león, ¿qué significa un león? Como un título. Rebecca, ¿qué significa un león? Lion, perfect. So they woke up, despertaron would be past simple of third person plural. So they woke up the lion. Que dormía. Dormía, what does that verb sound like? Guys, pause on drawing for a sec. Let's just kind of bring it together and discuss for now. So, dormía. What is the lion doing? He's sleeping. Dormía plácidamente. What does that word sound like? Think of your roots.
Sleeping peace.
Good, yeah. Kind of peacefully. He's just sleeping. Al pie de un árbol. Al pie, so from head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Pie is a foot. At the foot of un árbol.
Okay.
¿Qué es un árbol? You guys remember?
Cave?
Not quite. A tree. Okay, so we're going to pause here, and I want you to draw out that scene so far, okay? Let's go ahead. I'll read again that next sentence, and I want you to think about, we're imagining what's happening. So use the image in your head to kind of piece these things together. La fiera, levantándose de pronto, atrapó entre sus garras al más atrevido de la pandilla. So la fiera, what kind of, I said it before, what do you think?
The Fury.
The Fury. The Fury. What do you think they're referring to by the Fury? Remember, this is a story. This is a fable. They're using poetic language. They're talking about the
Lion.
The lion. La fiera. Levantándose de pronto. What are they talking about? What just...
Lions. He's angry.
Okay, but what just happened? These little mice just woke him up. What did he do? He's levantándose de pronto.
He got up.
He got up slowly or
Quickly.
quickly? Good. De pronto. Something's happening, like, promptly. Atrapó. So, past, simple, singular, third person. Atrapó. What is he doing? He... Don't draw yet, Rebecca and Noah. Let's stick with the sentence first. Atrapó entre sus garras. What did he do?
Got up quickly.
No, atrapó.
He threw something.
He trapped.
Pounced.
Sure, maybe he's pouncing. And he trapped between his paws al más atrevido de la pandilla. Atrevido is like daring or brave. That's a great word if you want to write that one down.
The daring mouse?
Yeah, the most daring mouse of the gang, of like the gang of mice.
Oh, that's good because I have one daring mouse and one sweet happy mouse.
That's perfect. Excellent. Okay, go ahead and let's comprehend what's going on in our next our next drawing. Okay? So lee desde aquí.
El ratacillo.
Sillo.
Person.
Preso.
Preso de terror.
Good.
Prometió al león que si la perdona la vida,
Ujú.
el emplearía en survivorlo.
Try that one again. Hold on, Noah. En servirlo.
En servirlo y
Aunque, sorry.
aunque esta promesa lo hizo ver el león terminó por soltarlo.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Ahora leo yo. Y ves. Sorry. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look. You want to look for patterns and try to piece it together mientras que yo estoy leyendo. El ratoncillo, so the little rat, preso de terror, prometió al león que si le perdonaba la vida, la emplearía en servirlo.
What does it mean?
Y aunque esa promesa lo hizo reír, el león terminó por soltarlo. Okay, so, el ratoncillo. Una rata? Or, okay, so, singular. Preso de terror. Prisoner of...
Terror.
Muy bien. Prometió al león.
Bit the lion.
Prometió. He... Prometir. Okay, we'll keep going. Prometió al león. See, que le perdonaba la vida if he pardoned his... La vida is...
Friend.
Vida. Vivir means to live, so vida is...
Life.
Good. So, this little rat is a little prisoner of terror. And what is he saying to what is he asking of the lion?
Pardon my life.
Sure, he promised the lion if he pardoned his life, he would be employed to serve him, basically. Like, if you save me, I'll be your servant. Let's do the second part before we start drawing. So are you visualizing what's going on? A little bit? Okay. Y aunque. Aunque is a great word if you don't have it in your notebook yet. So aunque is even though. Aunque esta promesa. This. ¿Qué significa promesa? Go with your gut.
Promise.
Good. Lo hizo reír. Hizo is the past simple third person singular of hacer. And hacer means to do or to
Make.
good. So
He made a promise.
Okay, it made the lion reír, laugh. So even though this promise, lo, made the lion laugh, el león terminó. So the lion terminó, he finished by soltarlo. Soltarlo. What do we think that means? Not killing. Soltarlo, by releasing it. And we see the lo at the end is like the it referring back to the rat. Soltar is to release. So in the infinitive, soltar, and then lo, it. All right. So go ahead and add on to your drawing with that little addition. Rebecca, te toca a ti. Lee desde aquí. Tiempo después.
¿Eh?
Estás leyendo desde aquí. Tiempo después.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Tiempo después. La fiera cayó en las redes que un cazador le había tendido. Y como a pesar de su fuerza no podía librar otro la selva con sus furiosos
Rugidos. All right. So now we're going to fall into our imagination. We're imagining the lion. He just let go of the rat. The rat's gone. And maybe you've heard this story before. It is starting to sound familiar. You're going to use those clues in your past connections to fill in the gaps. Okay, ahora leo yo. Tiempo después, la fiera cayó en las redes que un cazador le había tendido. Y como, a pesar de su fuerza, no podía liberarse, atronó la selva con sus furiosos rugidos. All right. So, tiempo después, a little time past, like time later, or a little time after. La fiera, which we know now is that. When we say la fiera, the lion, muy bien. Cayó, fell en las redes. Las redes is like a net. And you'll hear that when you hear like reference to the internet as well. Que un cazador, who do we think cazador is now that we're knowing that this net was there, the lion fell in it? Un cazador might be a
hunter.
Good. Le había tendido, that he had there, y a como, a pesar de su fuerza, despite or in spite of his fuerza, like force maybe. Power, strength, good, muy bien. No podía liberarse. He couldn't
Break free.
Good, Noah. Atronó la selva con sus furiosos rugidos. What do you think he did? If he couldn't break free, what was he doing?
Calling the rat.
Maybe. Okay, but we don't hear anything about the rat. He thrown, atronó is like he throned la